Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will talk about string formatting. So let's get started. So first of all, let us create a variable and we will give the content as study easy is good, right? Let me run this. Let me print name and here is the output. Let me indeed update the variable name to be x, for example, and let me print x. That is good. Alright, so this is nice. Now for example, we would like to format things a little, right? So in here, in place of study easy, for example, we wish to print any brand name and we wish to replace study easy with anyone, any name, any brand name, anything like that. How we can do that? Let me show you. First of all, let me show you the print method. The print method will be used to print stuff on the console, right? So whenever we are dealing with application development and we would like to print anything, always make use of print to print anything on the console. And formatting goes hand in hand with this print method. So in here, how it will work, it would be like study easy is good. We would like to replace study easy with something else. So let me copy this and let me add single quotes. We can either make use of single quote or a double quote, that is up to you. And in place of study easy, we will make use of braces. And now let me replace braces with something else. So in here, I will type in format and I will pass a string. The string could be, for example, my name, and this will display Chand is good. Likewise, we can print this again, and in place of Chand, we can again make use of study easy. Again, we will get study easy is good. Now in here, how we can handle it? Let me show you. Let me copy this statement. Let me paste it in here, and in place of study easy, let me make use of braces. Like this. Let me run this. Here we go. Let me copy this. Let me paste it in here, and in place of this string, can we make use of x? Let me show you. Let me run this. Here we go. Right? Apart from that, let me also show you. For example, print in here. Let me print 1 space brace and brace again, and in place of these braces, let me print 2 and 3. How we can do that? So it would be like format TWO comma 3. Definitely we need to make use of single quote or double quote. That's up to you. Let me run this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Cool enough. Nice stuff, right? Now for example, we wish to print 2 before 3. Can we handle it? Yes, we can. These formatting options works like an array, and these have the index value. So the index value of 2 is 0, the index value of 3 is 1. So in here, for example, we wish to print 3 first and then we wish to print 2. Then we can pass the index value, and here we go. This is nice. But for example, we don't wish to handle this with the index value. We would like to give some name to these formatting options. Is it possible? Well, that is again possible. For example, let me get rid of this 1 and 0. And in here, let me give the name as 2 equals 2 and 3 equals 3. Now friends, can you guess what would be the outcome? Will it work or it will give us a syntax error? Can you guess it? Let me pause this video for a minute. Can you guess it why things can go wrong? Well, things can go wrong because variable name cannot start with a number. What would be the outcome? Outcome is definitely a syntax error. But for example, let me copy this. Let me paste it in here. If I say x2 and x3, will it work? Well, it will not work again because in this case, the error is something different. In this case, because we have updated the index name, we have to give the indexes directly in here. So it would be like x2 and x3. Let me run this, and this will give us a proper result 1 2 3. But if there is a doubt in your mind, let me copy this again. Let me give the index as 2 and 3. Will this work? Well, this won't work because we cannot give the name which starts with a number. So here are a couple of things. So this is how we can handle things, and you can research more about it. Definitely you can experiment more, but this is how we can handle things, and many times it can be useful. Now post Python 3.6, there are like a couple of more things which are introduced. So in here definitely we have to make this format method call, and that can give you some trickiness. This is not very clean looking syntax. So first of all, let me copy this and paste it in here, and we will mark this line as a comment. Now how to mark a line as a comment? Very simple. We will start the line with hash, and it will work for us, and this will mark the line as comment. Now in here we can easily make out that there are two variables. So first of all, let us create two variables, and these variables would be x2 and x3. And now finally let us print. Now with Python 3.6 and above, we have the syntax, additional syntax, which starts with a F. F symbolizes that the text is a formatted text, and in between double quotes or single quotes we can definitely make use of some formatted text. So in here, let me copy this part and let me paste it in here. So take a note of it. In here we are making use of two variables, and this will work properly. Here is the output. So this is how we can make use of this new syntax. Alright, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.